The summer heat is back in North Texas, and in addition to the beautiful sunshiny days that we get to enjoy, we also have that blistering hot and humid Texas weather that we need to manage inside of our homes. If you have any doubt that your HVAC system will not make it all the way through the summer, call the Air Repair Pros and have your air conditioning unit checked out today for a ridiculously low complete systems exam fee. If you have a current issue that needs repair, our service fee is only $37 to find out your problem and fix it fast. Either way, you'll enjoy that clean, cool, fresh air conditioning all summer long. The Air Repair Pros can and will repair your old unit, or they'll give you a great deal on a new unit so that you can be worry-free all summer long. The Air Repair Pros can and will take care of all of your HVAC needs, so pick up your cell phone right now and call the Air Repair Pros. You'll be glad that you did, I promise.